Binance news announcement says you can now stake STS to earn BTC and up to 3x with up to 28.68 APY as annual percentage yield on Binance. So this is the latest update for Binance. They said Binance staking has launched new high yield STS lock staking activities. So you can now stake STS to earn up to 28.68%. So with BTC as reward starting from 2022 0125, so you're good to go on this investment. So activity one is that you need to stake STX to earn 3x APY in BTC with APY up to 28.68%. So activity period is going to run for up to the second week of February. So you want to take note of this. So it says log staking will be on a first come first serve basis. So you want to join the pool as soon as possible, and interest calculation will be based on 00 AM UTC on the day after the lock staking is confirmed to the end of the corresponding product period. So the interest on a daily basis is going to be if you're locking up for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. But what is this to note here is that the longer the period that you'll be staking these your assets, the longer the more the APYs you should be expecting. So what you need to know is that the limited time APY offer is valid for the activity period only. So when the activity ends, the APY will be adjusted to the standard rate based on the on-chain staking rewards. And the specific APY is subject to the page display on the day. The activity is available on a first come first serve basis. The users can view their log stake assets by their wallets. You can go over to your end section, check the log staking on Binance end. So unlock period for log staking periods 1 day. So about early redemption, users can choose to redeem in advance. After choosing early redemption, principal will return to their spot account and distributor interest will be deducted from the refunded principal. Due to different global time zone, it takes about 48 to 72 hours to receive the tokens. So these are some of the perks you want to understand before jumping into this group, into this activity. For activity 2, you need to buy and stake STS to share 5,000 STS tokens in rewards. So during the promotion, the first 500 users who spot trade STS tokens net purchase amount minus sell amount greater than 300 STS and participate in the 30, 60 or 90 days of STS log staking are eligible to receive 10 STS tokens. So terms and conditions, STS rewards of activity were allocated to recipient Binance wallets within 2 weeks after the activity ends. Binance reserves the right to disqualify any app participant showing traces of signs of fraudulent behavior. Binance reserves the right to cancel or amend the activity period. And also, there's a risk in warning disclaimer. So, cryptocurrency trading is subject to risk, so you want to take note of these. Telegram, Timmy, Twitter, Facebook, and more, guys. So guys, that's all. It's your buy keys. For new users, you want to jump on these are some of the perks of joining on Binance platform. These are some of the perks. If you have any questions as regard utilizing this Binance end section, you drop your questions in the comment section. Use the subscribe button to subscribe and get notified whenever we drop updates that could be beneficial to you. Your buy keys. Stay tuned for more. Peace out and more love.